Learning objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to define the term power sharing, know about the ethnic composition of Belgium and Sri Lanka, understand the political system in Sri Lanka and the rule of the majority, recognize the accommodation of different communities in the political scenario in Belgium, express the necessity of power sharing, recognize the forms of power sharing. Story of Belgium and Sri Lanka. Belgium. Belgium is a small country in Europe, which is surrounded by countries like Netherlands, France and Germany. The population of Belgium is slightly more than 1 crore. Belgium has a very complex ethnic composition because Dutch is spoken by 59% of the total population living in Flemish region. In Wallonia region, 40% people live and speak French and the remaining 1% speak German. Brussels is the capital of Belgium and in this city, 80% people speak French while the remaining 20% people speak Dutch. In Brussels, the French-speaking minority community was relatively rich and powerful than the Dutch-speaking community, who got the benefit of economic development and education much later. Due to this, a number of tensions arose between the Dutch-speaking and the French-speaking communities during the 1950s and 1960s. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is an island in the Indian Ocean near the southern coast of Tamil Nadu. Its population is about 2 crores. Sri Lanka has a diverse population because 74% people of the total population are Sinhala speakers, while 18% are the Tamil speakers. There are 2 subgroups among Tamils in Sri Lanka, namely Sri Lankan Tamils, who constitute 13% of the total population and are the Tamil natives of the country. Indian Tamils, they constitute 5% of the total population whose forefathers came from India as plantation workers during colonial period. Most of the Tamils are Hindus or Muslim, while most of the Sinhala-speaking people follow Buddhism and Christianity is followed by about 7% of the both Tamils and Sinhalas. Majoritarianism in Sri Lanka. Majoritarianism is defined as the belief that those constituting a simple majority should make the rules for all members of the group, example Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka became an independent country in 1948 because of the majority of Sinhala community and the dominance of Sinhala leaders to secure power over the government. It resulted in establishment of supremacy of Sinhala community on the democratically elected government by adopting a series of majoritarian measures. So, an act was passed in 1956 to acknowledge Sinhala as the only official language and disregarding Tamil language. All the university positions and government jobs favored Sinhala applicants. Later, a new constitution was laid down to protect and spread Buddhism. This led to an increase in the feeling of separation among the Sri Lankan Tamils. Following this, many political organizations were formed by 1980s for demanding an independent Tamil state in northern and eastern part of Sri Lanka. The distrust between the two communities turned into a prevalent conflict and soon turned into a civil war. As a result, thousands of people of both the communities were killed. Many families were forced to leave the country as refugees and many more lost their livelihoods. The civil war caused a terrible disappointment to the cultural, social, and economic life of the country. Accommodation in Belgium. In order to bring harmony between the two communities, Belgium took cognizance of the prevailing regional differences and cultural diversities. So, from 1970 to 1993, the people of Belgium made modifications in their constitution 4 times so as to work out an arrangement that would enable everyone to live together in the same country. Some elements of the Belgian constitution are listed below. The Belgian constitution prescribes an equal number of Dutch and French-speaking ministers in the central government. Many powers of the central government have been given to state governments of 2 regions of the country. Both the communities have equal representation in a separate government present in Brussels. Apart from the state and central government, there is also a third kind of government called as the community government present in Belgium. Thus, we can see that in Belgium, the leaders realize that the unity of the country is possible only by respecting the feelings and interests of different communities and regions. Why is power sharing desirable? Power sharing is desirable because it helps in reducing the possibility of conflicts between social groups. Hence, power sharing ensures social harmony, peace, and stability of political order, as social conflict often leads to violence and political instability. Power sharing avoids the dictatorship of the majority, which can destroy the minority social groups, because enforcement of the will of the majority community over others may look like an attractive option in the short run, but in the long run, it weakens the unity of the nation. Power sharing is the very spirit of a democratic rule and requires sharing of power with those affected by its exercise as well as those who have to bear its consequences. People have a right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. A true government is one where citizens, through participation, obtain a support in the system. Forms of power sharing. Power sharing has emerged as a strong relief to the idea of undivided political power. According to power sharing, democracy should provide respect to diverse groups and a view prevailing in a society, and everyone is given a voice to shape the public politics. In a democracy, therefore, it is mandatory that the political power should be distributed among as many citizens as possible. With modernization in democracies, power sharing has taken many forms. Some of the common forms of power sharing are: power is shared among different organs of government, such as the judiciary, legislature, and executive. None of these organs can exercise unlimited power, as each organ checks the others. In a federal form of government, power can be divided between the central government as well as the local government level. Example: India. Power sharing can be seen among different social groups, such as linguistic groups and religious groups. Example: Belgium. Power may also be shared among different pressure groups, political parties, and social movements in order to control or influence those in power. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Power sharing is a term used to describe a system of governance in which all major segments of society are provided a permanent share of power. Belgium has a very complex ethnic composition. The population of Sri Lanka is diverse, with 74% of Sinhalas and 18% of Tamils. Sinhala supremacy was established by the democratically elected government by adopting a series of majoritarian measures. Equal representation of both the communities has made the Belgium government a unique one. In Belgium and Sri Lanka, the question if power sharing was dealt with differently. Power sharing helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. The very spirit of democracy is power sharing.